Good day, everyone. My name is Sarhata Usman, and my report is all about, and I'm going to start my report with how to protect your PIN. Protect your PIN is a personal identification number is crucial to prevent unauthorized access to your accounts and financial information. And second is watch out for skimming. Skimming refers to the act of secretly installing a device on an ATM, payment terminal, or the other payment device to capture sensitive information such as credit card numbers, PINs, and other personal data. Third one is freeze your credit report. It's a security measure that restricts access to your credit report, making it more difficult for identify the thieves to open new accounts in your name. Fourth is dependent life stage. It refers to a period of individual's life when they rely on others, typically family members or caregivers, or financial, emotional, and physical support. Fifth one is the young family life stage. Typically refers to a family with children under the age of 18, often characterized with significant changes and adjustments. Tips on protect your PIN tips. Just don't share your PIN with anyone, including family and friends. And watch out for skimming. Just install a device on an ATM to capture card information and PINs. So freeze your credit account, freeze your credit report. Just request a freeze and contact the three major credit reporting agencies, just the Equifax, Experian, and the TransUnion, to request a freeze to freeze your credit account. Independent life stage. One of the characteristics of the dependent life stage is, just for example, the infancy in early childhood. Babies and young children rely on caregivers for everything, and others children rely on parents or guardians for financial and emotional support. The young life stage, the young family life, or the young family life stage. The characteristics of this is the focus on raising and caring for children. Other is changes in relationship with partners and family and friends.